Good afternoon guys, it is now 1 o'clock and at the moment I am here in one of the shopping mall here in Batemans Bay. Yeah, it's still part of New South Wales, but yeah, it's already far. And I'm actually here. I went to upstairs just to browse some products, and I noticed that there is one Jimny, yeah, sitting next to me, parked next to me, and it's a color ivory. If I'm not mistaken, that's the ivory color Jimny. Yeah, it has a roof rack, beautiful. Yeah, and I am waiting for the owner to arrive because I am going to give him or her this kind of yeah, the keyhole cover. That one doesn't have a cover. Okay, so the Jimny owner already left. They are actually boyfriend and girlfriend. Yeah, they greet me and I see them, and then yeah, I said one moment, and I get out and I give them the keyhole cover. Nice. They said that, oh, thank you. Yeah, they seems happy, and I think they know it that it is a cover. Nice.
Leave the roundabout at the first exit.
And now we are heading to the beach. I don't remember the name of the beach, but yeah, I will tell you later. I encountered a problem with memory card that I am using with my GoPro. Yeah, it is a very big problem because yeah, the content of that memory card.
Leave the roundabout at the second exit and continue to follow Beach Road.
Are the footages since I left Nelson Bay. So it means that yeah, the vlogging that I did since I left Nelson Bay is wasted. If in case I don't recover that footages, I have some pictures taken using my mobile phone. So basically I went to I actually didn't stop in Sydney. I stopped in the rest area in the Hume Highway, and there is a beautiful yeah, rest area over there. And then another stop is in Wollongong, but it has been raining in Wollongong. That's why I didn't able to really roam around. But I also took some pictures using my
next left.
smartphone.
Be aware of the vehicle ahead.
And I left Wollongong this morning around 6 o'clock in the morning. And I continuously driving until I reach this place. Yeah, the name of this place is Batemans
Follow
Bay.
the road for 800 meters.
And I was recording in the marina area, in the riverbanks area. I have some pictures also. And then while recording, yeah, it says SD card error. And now I am here. This is already my third day driving around. Okay, we are here in this area. There is like a pleasure resort park, pleasure Leia resort park here. And Sunshine Cove parking, this one. And there is this beach. No one is swimming because it is cold. And this is how it is. Yeah, a small beach. Okay, that's it. We look again for a new place to go. And we arrived here in Malua Bay Park. Yes, basically it's a kind of commercial residential area. Yeah, it's not very cold. And look at that residential area. Yeah, nice. You need to go upstairs and you see that beautiful houses. And this is how it is here. Yeah, this spot is really nice to stay, relax. That's very windy at the moment. And yeah, this is the beach. Small beach. And there are some people here. Parks. There's a toilet, children's playground. Let's go and have a little walk around the shops here. There is one building here, looks like a hotel or maybe apartment. They are fishing to the water and it's beautiful. Ah, hotel, Abode Hotel. And down here there are some residential, some commercial area, coffee shop. And you know, coming from Batemans Bay, from that side, yeah, there are several beaches. I want to stop, but I was not sure, so yeah, I decided to just go straight here. Their community is facing to the water. The name of the place is Malua Bay. So like Nelson Bay, Shoal Bay, yeah, Bay area. I think this is like one of the suburbs of Batemans Bay. I'm not sure if there are shops and groceries here. Oh. This is good, still hot. Oh, on my first night of traveling, I sleep in the rest area in the Hume Highway. Partridge BC, the name of the rest area. Yeah, and then on the second night, which is just last night, I sleep in Wollongong Head. That's the main attraction in Wollongong. Yeah, where is the lighthouse? Yeah, so basically it is allowed to park over there if you are a regular car like this, but the caravans, the converted traveling van, they are not allowed to be parked in there in the night. Yeah, so the advantage of my car being traveling is that I don't have any roof rack, so it's not obvious that I am sleeping in the car. Also, this car is very small. Who's going to think that someone can sleep here? And for tonight, I don't know where I am going to sleep. Yeah, we're going to the next stop, and it is now 2:56. Oh, I end up in this road, and it is heading to the beach. I don't know what is in here. Maybe this is a surfing site. There are few people. And this is how it is. There are few people over there. And no people on that side.
Recording complete.
And we reached this place. Yeah, the name of this place is Moroya Regional Airport. And they have actually skydiving. Yeah, on that side. I'm not going to do that. And this is also the place where I am going to sleep tonight. Per night is at $12. If you are pensioner, $9. And the child is $4. And they do have honesty box. So write name on the envelope, insert cash, put envelope, any slot, and then I can just park anywhere. I don't know if there is actually I can buy something because I don't have enough water. I have the hot water enough for making coffee, maybe 3-4 cups, but I don't have the drinking water. Or maybe there is a Bindu machine inside. I'll check. There's actually pre-water inside the airport, but yeah, I took this chips and Mountain Dew. From time to time there's airplane flying. Okay, so this is where I'm going to sleep tonight. Yeah, and I am facing to the airport. Now I understand. So basically the airplane that it was flying from time to time are those doing the skydiving. Look at this, they have so many things. Already become looks like a squatter. But then this place is designated really for camping like that. Look at that, there's so many bikes. And on this side is this. There is this kind of lake, river. Beautiful. I'm going to take a picture. I really wanted to take a shower, but this is unpowered site. Yeah, there is no hot water. Maybe I'll take shower tomorrow. So it's 2 days that I'm not taking a shower yet. Oh, I think that's the shower. I'm going to check later. Oh, there is no, I thought there is access, but nothing. But there is a car camping over there. Oh, there's the way here. Oh yeah, this is the shower. Oh, that one is just a toilet, no shower. And look at this, there is one classic car. It's a Land Cruiser. Nice. There is a post at top, that one. So that is where I am going to get water. Oh, it's Rex Airline. Now I'm going to eat this 2 instant noodles, and I actually have egg. Yeah, 1 dozen. I have these 2 eggs and noodles. I'm not sure if the egg is well done. Yeah, the egg is cooked just right. And okay, it's now time to eat. Yeah, we are eating near the airport. We are camping near the airport. Yeah, I wish I have rice. And now it's time to do my video editing. And at the moment, yeah, the sun is actually going down over there. Nice. It's more beautiful in the actual. In the camera, not really. And I'm actually day of today.